Hello and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. New week guys, it's Monday morning and we're going to go and pick up 2 new projects for the channel. And yeah, it's going to be a busy week this week, really busy. That's going to be done. Hopefully that'll be done tomorrow. That black Fiesta. I'm going to crack on with the Fiat 500 as well this week. This is going to go to the guy to get straightened out. So, yeah, a lot going on this week. But for now, we're going to go and pick up these 2 new projects, and I'm going to show you them. We'll have a walk around. We'll have a see what they're like, and yeah, hopefully no surprises. But you never know with a Salvage. You never know. So let's get into it. But before we do, just a massive thank you to all the support. We've just clicked over 4,000 subscribers. So yeah, it is pushing up and pushing up. You know, which is great, which is lovely. So, and I appreciate all the support on the channel, all the comments, all the thumbs up. Really does appreciate everything. So, keep what you're doing, guys, and yeah, thanks for supporting me and what I'm doing on the channel. So let's jump into it. Let's go and pick up these cars and let's get back and have a walk around them. So there we go, guys. Ford Fiesta, 2014, EcoBoost 1 litre. This is a category N, so you can see the damage at the front here. I haven't really got into it, so I don't really know the extent of it at the moment. We have got a windscreen crack there, smashed. So that needs to be replaced, which I've already got, the windscreen. That was a leftover part from another vehicle. I think I got the wrong one a few months ago. I can't remember what happened there, but anyway, I've saved it, and it's got like a teardrop. So that's how I know I've got it, because it's got a teardrop here, which is obviously for the sensors. So yeah, I know I've already got the windscreen, so that's good. So yeah, so that's where the damage is, guys. On this corner, you can tell the wing needs replacing. The wheels are not twisted. That's just the steering's a little bit off. Both sides, so I've already checked it. Like you can see that wheel's pointing this way, so they're pointing the right way. So that's nothing to do with the suspension damage or anything like that. It's just the way they're pointing. So yeah, got a wing, bonnet, a light, bumper, looks like crash bar. This is, like I said, Char, this is a category N, but looking at this leg here, that looks like really bent over. So I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know if it, you know, did they look at it on the pictures or what they did, but I need to get all this ripped out. And then, sorry guys, get all this ripped out, and then we'll have a good look at it underneath there. But it runs and drives, it starts and everything, so yeah, that's all good. It's a little 1 litre EcoBoost, little Ford engine. And yeah, apart from obviously the front, all the rest of it's okay. We've got brand new tyres all round, so that's good. And then the actual car itself is bang on, spot on, no problem at all with it. So it's got I think it's got parking sensors, and we've got a little cap thing missing here. Might have to get one to replace that, so I'll get a replacement for that. So yeah, apart from that, it's all good. So I'll show you inside. I'm not going to open the driver's door because of the wing, it's knocking. So I don't really want to open the driver's door at the minute. So you can see how clean it is. It's decent, it's tidy. You know, we've definitely seen worse in here, guys, haven't we? So I'll still give the seats a good going over, normal stuff. But it's, you know, it's decent. And as you can see, It's an auto. Yeah, and the actual trim is titanium. So it's a titanium model as well. So it's got all the bells and whistles, and yeah, 1 litre EcoBoost, and it's an auto. So it's, you know, it's all round a good little car, to be honest with you. It's done 70,000 miles. Is it coming up? No, it's not coming up, is it? No, it's not coming up. It's done 70,000 miles. So not massive, but it's still up there with the, you know, miles. But for what I paid for it, it's honestly, it's an incredible car. Really good car. And this is going to be a lovely little run around for someone. Little titanium model. It's got all the, obviously the, because it's the titanium, when you shut and lock, wing mirrors both fold in, and then when you unlock them, fold out. So electric folding mirrors. Got daytime running lights as well, DRLs on the fronts. So yeah, nice little 2014 Fiesta. I know it's another Fiesta, guys, but you know, it's still work, it's still there, still got to do, you know, still got to put it right, still got to fix it. So you know, this is going to have to go on the back burner for now. This is just going to go and sit outside here until we get all the rest of the cars that are, you know, in line, as to speak. This will have to be put in line and wait until we get the time to do it. So, but like I said, it does run. It does start and run. I'll quickly show you. Oh, it's done 72,000. It's done. Look. 72,000 miles. So it goes like that. Hold on, let's get it started. Got my foot on the fucking brake. Hold on. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. It's got the, I think this must be the upgraded system to it as well, because it's all like, yeah, Sony stereo, brake fluid low. So I think the cap's come off that one, but there we go. Quite a decent one, isn't it? Quite a decent one. Nice, and, you know, I don't think there's anything in here. I've had a little look around. Oh, didn't see that though, so that's handy. I was looking for the books and stuff, but there's no books in here. There's no service record. There's nothing in here. So yeah. Oh. But yeah, all in all, it's decent. Like, you know, the seats are decent. Just need a good clean. But then, you know, like I said to you, we've seen worse, haven't we, guys? So it's got cruise control, voice activation. It's got all the you know, buttons on the steering wheels and all that. So it's quite a high spec, being a titanium. But yeah, this is where the damage is. So we've got to get this wing off and replace that. Replace the windscreen, bonnet, bumper, light, crash bar, front panel, all that sort of stuff. But I've got some of that stuff as well. So on another one, that's why I keep all parts, guys, because you just never know. And I think I've got a 1 litre EcoBoost rad pack. I think on the last one I did, do you remember I did that 2015 Fiesta? It was a Cat S. We had to cut the leg off, and yeah, the guy had to weld a new leg on and stuff like that, chassis leg. I think I got the wrong rad for that one, if I remember rightly. So I managed to keep hold of that one that I didn't use, and I think this is the right one for it. So yeah, it's all good. So there we go, that's that one done. So here you go, guys. Another little project to put in line, and we'll shoot over. We'll go and grab the other one for today, and then we'll come back and we'll do a walk around on that and show you what I got. So let's do it. there we go, guys. Did you see it? Another Fiat 500. This again has got front end damage. So yeah, we've got to really pull this apart and see what's going on underneath there. But it's going to be the normal. I think this rad pack and aircon pack has had a bit of bigger whack than the other car. So yeah, we've got to look at that and get this front end stripped down. But you know, it is what it is. Get into it. Here we go. So you can see that it's quite close. It's pushed right up against it. So yeah, we've got to have a look at it, make sure that there's no other damage. The actual legs look good again. There's no damage to them, I don't think. Again, this is the category S, like the other one. So we'll get into this one when it's in line with the rest of the cars I'm doing. This one's gonna have to be put on hold for now, but we will get into it. So let's have a walk around and have a look at it. So this is the Fiat 500 Sport version, 2014, and it's done really low mileage, guys, really low. And that was the wing. It's an automatic. So you don't really see a lot of these automatics around. I've tried to find them online, see if there's any for sale, but you can't really see them. There ain't many around. So, but and it does need a good clean, to be honest with you. I've got to clean it up and sort of give it a good, give it a good sort out. But it's got like the sporty bumper there, nice wheels. This one's flat, so I've got to change that tyre. So I'm going to put it on a skate or something just to get it move it about and stuff. But yeah, the tiny's done. I'll show you inside. So it looks a really nice sporty version of the Fiat 500. You got the flat bottom steering wheel here, all red leather, red stitching going around. That nice seats, nice leather S seats. This is like leather here, and this is like a suede on going down here and here on the bolster areas on the seats, which looks pretty smart. It's really clean in here, to be honest. It just need a good clean. It looks like I have a cat or a dog or something here. Look, all the hair. So I'm gonna have to find out how to get all that up. So yeah, nice little sporty version. And I'll show you. Check this mileage out. $21,400 miles this is done. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, it could be really incredible. So it's really low mileage, guys, but you can see, like, yeah, it's got all the stuff, but it's got a nice sort of gear lever for the autos. You can change it up and down, change all the gears. Stick it right. I've checked the glove box, there's nothing in here. No, that's empty. Nothing in there. So yeah, no airbags. No dash to do, no windscreen to change. So that's a bonus. So no dash or windscreen airbags. The windscreen's great, and it's just a front end, yeah. But obviously a wing there. This wing as well. Both wings need doing. Bonnet, bumper, crash bar, front panel, lights. We'll have a look, see if we can save them. Just repair the tabs. If not, we'll get some a tab repair kit. So yeah, there you go. What a lovely little car this is going to be when it's done, and so low mileage, 20,000 miles. It's nothing. So there we go. That is number 2 picked up and back at HQ. Drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this one or this one that I just picked up as well. Let me know either or. They're both automatics. That's an automatic, and this is an automatic. So it was just the way it turned out, really. I wasn't particularly looking for an automatic. It just turned up, and I thought, yeah, go for it. And I got it really good price. So the thing is, I know that it's a good price because I've been looking for ages and ages, months and months on Copart, looking for a Fiat 500 to buy, but for some reason they're going up so high, the Fiat 500s. So once I started using this other company to get my salvage cars, I'm able to get 2 within like 2 weeks. So that tells you, well, that tells me that the prices are good where I'm going now, because I was never be able to get a Fiat 500 at Copart. They was just too high, just silly prices. So yeah, there you go. Just proves that it's working. But yeah, this is going to be an absolute little cracker, little auto, little zipping around a little auto. Fiat 500 is crazy, but yeah. And I've not seen many autos, so I don't know if they're just, you know, rare or they're not. People don't buy them. I don't know, but I've not come across them. So there we go. That is the second one. Don't forget, guys, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about these 2 cars I picked up today. And yeah, that's going to be it. Stay safe. Try and stay at home if you can. And I'll see you on the next one.